Hello, incredible manufacturing students and instructors. I want to make sure that you all realize that NASA HUNCH is not expecting you to finish your parts due to schools being shut down during these challenging times. When school opens next year, we will gladly work with you all to produce the hardware you have started this year. NASA HUNCH considers your safety and health our very first priority. Manufacturing students are the most important part of our flight hardware manufacturing team. They have helped to manufacture the following flight hardware parts this year: 600 EVA wire ties, 20 single stowage lockers that hold experiments on the International Space Station, they've worked on actuators, butterflies, bases, studs, nuts, and side panels. International Space Station handrails, they worked on the CAM 90 and the fixture caps for them. And even a tape dispenser that's going up to the space station this year. All these projects require careful manufacturing, finishing, and documentation. I am so very proud of all your work. While still in high school or college, your work is meeting the stringent requirements needed for flight hardware. A huge thank you goes out to every single student, teacher, and school that participated in this year's NASA HUNCH manufacturing program for their outstanding support and work. Thank you so much. Stay safe and take care.